Gondor cereal bars production line. Oat bar. Puffed cereal bar. Puffing treatment of raw materials. Uniform heating and rapid boiling. Mix the syrup and materials evenly. Anti-stick mixing hopper. Heating evenly. Automatic tracking cutting structure. The cutting speed is adjustable. Fully auto positioning seal cutting. Support customizing various packaging films. Mix evenly and accurately with ingredients. Automated production system. Lock and grain nutrition. Finished product display. Oat bar. Puffed cereal bar. Technology. Efficiency.